Hi, I'm Joe and I'm a teacher. How about getting into the festive spirit by making Christmas hanging decorations using the air drying dough from YPO? To make the hanging decorations, you'll need air drying dough, a rolling pin, Christmas cookie cutters, paint, paint brushes, a paint palette, PVA glue, glitter, stick-on gems, scissors, and Christmas ribbon or metallic jumbo cords to hang. Take your dough out of its container and roll to 1/2 inch in thickness. Take your Christmas cookie cutters and stamp your shapes. Make sure you poke a hole in the top so you can hang the decoration from the tree. Let the dough dry out for 24 hours. Once it is dry, you can decorate it with paint, glitter, or both. To finish, thread your chosen string through the punched hole and tie a knot. Then they're ready to hang from the tree. Whether it be bright and colourful or full of Christmassy glitter, these air drying dough decorations are a real crowd pleaser for all ages.